Yo, these little dudes. Cashews versus macadamias, same vibe, totally different crunch.
If it ain't fully ripe, don't touch it. Timing's everything out here.
Let the sun do its magic. Natural heat beats anything artificial. No cap.
This right here, top-tier genetics. You plant trash, you harvest trash. Simple math.
You want that sweet spot, not too acidic, not too weak. Balance the soil, and the trees show love back.
Once the soil's locked in, now we're talking. Stage set. Time to plant something serious.
Give each tree its space. Crowd them up, and they start beefing for sunlight.
Roots gotta sit comfy. You bend them wrong, the tree never forgets. This right here? First meal. Feed them clean now so they don't struggle later.
If you ain't hitting that growth mark, sorry, no free rides in this game.
Little dude now, but in 3-5 years, full-grown legend. Patience, fam, patience.
Catch pests early or they throw a party. Stay ahead and it stays quiet. These ones survive the test. Strong roots, clean leaves, ready to hit the field and dominate.
This is where it starts. Every tree, every branch, every leaf counts. That's it. Orchard set. Now it's patience, discipline, and letting time do its thing.
Small flowers, low-key beautiful, but this is where the whole harvest begins.
Flowers pop, bees show up. Nature does the heavy lifting while we chill.
Good sun, right moisture, calm air. Whew, when the balance is right, the trees show it.
Water gotta move clean. Let it sit too long and roots start panicking.
Yo, this right here, this ain't just farming, this is BIG League agriculture. Ivory Coast is straight up running the cashew game.
The tree tells you when it's ready. You just gotta listen.
Every nut counts. Miss a few, and that's money left on the ground. Every nut counts, bro. Miss one, and that's cash left behind. Careful hands, sharp eyes.
Too wet, trash. Too dry, trash. Gotta hit that sweet spot every time.
Pick 'em clean, stack 'em right. Every nut counts. No shortcuts here. Dry, clean, and ready. From the ground to the factory, the journey's just getting started. Dry, clean, full color, epicure. That's the rule. Quality starts right here, not in the factory.
Gotta give them space to breathe. Cramped nuts? That's a disaster waiting to happen.
Nah, if the seed's weak, it's out. This ain't charity. Only the strong make the cut.
Over 1 million tons a year, bro. This stuff isn't snacks, Dad. It's fuel for the whole country.
Bulk game strong pervaded. Every sack counts.
Spread 'em out, let the air do its thing. Patience now, payoff later.
Dry, clean, perfect. Next stop, cracking time. Respect the grind, respect the nut.
Gotta keep it dry. Maritier, moisture kills the crunch.
This is where magic happens. Rains, white gold incoming. Time to bring the crunch, heat things up.
One slip, kernel ruined. Machines don't mess around.
Gotta make 'em shine.
Hey, first impressions matter. Shape, size, symmetry, aching, and everything counts in premium nuts.
Gotta rotate them right, Cal. Even heat, max flavor.
Flavor drops in, baby, every nut gotta taste fire.
Perfect roast, crunchy and golden. No excuses.
You don't just leave them there. Keep them moving, check every batch, no time, respect the grind.
Yo, check it call. Only the ripe ones hit the dirt. Scoop them fast before they hide in the leaves.
Drop zone. Only the ripe ones hit the ground. Gotta scoop them quick.
Too wet? Trash. Too dry? Trash. Gotta hit that sweet spot every time, no cap.
Crack it right, keep it tight mode. One slip and that kernel's toast. Precision beats brute force every time.
No slackers in this batch. Only top-notch nuts make it.
Early mistakes? Not allowed. Sort smart, sort fast.
Move them right, check them steady, as even heat, even love, even flavor.
Careful with the heat, respect the kernel.
Shape, size, symmetry, everything counts in premium nuts.
Clean, dry, perfect. Moisture's the enemy, flavor's the prize.
Freshness locked at Redat, shelf ready, no compromise. Tech meets tradition. Haney, sorting like a boss. Crack it, check it, pack it, ready for your snack game. No shortcuts here. Sorted, packed, locked in weighing. Fresh macadamias ready to hit the shelves. No shortcuts, all quality.
From tree to table, or cookies, milk, cheese, we run the game.